Welcome to the LISD Center for a Sustainable Future. In 2001, 75 acres of land was purchased for student learning in the form of a land lab. In 2013, the CSF building was built. The main CSF building is a LEED Platinum certified school building. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. LEED certified buildings are resource efficient, using less water and energy, as well as reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Based on the number of points achieved, a project receives one of 4 LEED rating certifications: certified, silver, gold, or platinum. So you see, our building is at the top. One of the many aspects that gives the CSF building its platinum status is this solar tube. These tubular magnifying glasses extend from the exterior of the roof down into the building, into the classrooms. This allows for massive amounts of natural light to stream into the building, creating less of a need for overhead lights that use electricity. The horticulture classroom is inside and has an attached greenhouse where students work and learn all at the same time. To help heat this room and many others on our campus, our building uses geothermal heating. Radiant floor heat is provided from groundwater, which is always at 55 degrees year-round, and using this groundwater helps to regulate the temperature of the entire building. Outside of the CSF, you will find solar arrays, and these solar panels provide electricity that is both sustainable and renewable. These panels create 30% more energy than we can use in an entire year. Across from our solar panels, you can see the Sustainable Energy and Efficient Demonstration House. The Seed House was built by Midwest Energy, so anyone could walk through it and see different types of energy-efficient construction. Our LISD Tech Center residential construction students helped build the house from the ground up, and our horticulture students helped with the landscaping. In the north field of our CSF campus, you will see a rotational grazing pasture. Goats, cattle, sheep, chickens, and turkeys are rotated on this grass-based pasture, and they are allowed to forage naturally and put their nutrients from manure back into the soil. Our CSF chicken coop is at the top of the hill. These chicken breeds were chosen for their ability to withstand Michigan weather, durability, and their rare heritage breed status. And here's a fun fact: the eggs laid here are used in the culinary arts program at the LISD Tech Center's main campus, just like many of the vegetables we grow here. Past the chicken coop, we can see a large forest. This is 40 acres of hardwoods, primarily maple and oak. As far as forests go, this one is pretty young, just 65 years old. Students use this area to learn forest management practices and how to properly identify trees. Let's turn back to the center of the campus. We have our large greenhouse. Now, this building used to be the original greenhouse, but now has a new assignment. Inside, we find an elaborate aquaculture system. Fish are kept in these areas where their waste is naturally used as fertilizer for plants. And our natural resources students are in charge of caring for this entire system. Next door to the large greenhouse, we find a pole barn. This barn has a very large area for cold storage and our big equipment. We raise small animals here. There's a coop for the baby chicks or piglets and rabbit cages. The barn also has a clean lab for agri-science projects and a heated shop for our students. Our final stop on the tour? Well, it's up here on the roof. It's a living roof. Now, this green roof provides living cover to act as a temperature regulator for the building below. It also provides a habitat for birds and insects. We grow varieties of sedum on our roof. These plants are hardy succulents that like the sunshine and don't require a lot of water. Rainwater is also collected on this roof into a 10,000-gallon cistern that's used for our drip irrigation in the summertime. And from this vantage point, you also get a great view of these solar tubes attached to the roof that run down into our classrooms. Overall, the 75-acre campus at the LISD Center for a Sustainable Future is ready to give a hands-on approach to teaching our students. If the CSF campus sounds like a place you belong, sign up for one of our many exciting programs offered here on our website at www.lisd.us.